What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with A Little Bit Everything Home Services coming to you with another video, and we are back monitoring the a VRF Mitsubishi VRF unit, and right now we're hooked to maintenance tube, already in monitoring mode. I'm in heat mode. So what I'm going to talk about in this mode, I am going to talk about the outdoor unit. So this right here, let's scroll up. Okay, so at the top here, this top portion of the screen up here, this top portion, this is the what you call the OC, the main operating portion of those units. This is a twin unit. So when you have two units that are joined together, you're gonna have an OC and an OS. So in this particular case, the unit is in heat mode. How do I know? All right, so you see that it says control mode right there? It's ordinary mode, and it says ordinary, and the operational mode is heat. So it's in heat only. What does that mean? Okay, that means that the system, a majority of the system is calling for heat. So, and everything in this system is calling for heat. So it's in heat only. So, and both of these are running in heat only mode right now, both the OC and the OS. Now, if you look here, the address that this unit, the OC, is addressed is 51, and the OS is 52, and of course the branch box would follow suit, 53. All right, so let's go back up here. All right, so if you look here, you see this section right here, you see that number right there? That's the high side. That's the high side of the system. The pressure is right now in heat mode, and it's at 409 is PSI is what you're looking at, the pressure for that unit. And the low side pressure is at 108. These are really, really good numbers. So it's nothing's, it's not over pressurized, not overcharged or anything. I mean, these numbers look pretty good right here. And another number to look at, and if you don't know, you can always, with magnitudes, you can always click to find out what is what. Like right here, a good one is TH7. And you say, well, what is TH7? TH7 is the outdoor temperature. See, click on, watch me click on it here. Finally, it's down here at the bottom. Okay, just couldn't see it. So TH7, you see that? And it's indicating that that's the thermistor. That's the thermistor outside. And it indicates the inlet temperature on the water side. Well, that was if it was a water cool. So forced air cooled is what this is. So it indicates the outside temperature. You see that? That's the temperature outside. So if I knew that it was, say, 30 degrees outside, and this right here was reading 61, I would know that my outdoor air temperature sensor TH7 is bad. That I would know that, because you know what, you can look and see what the temperature is outside. And these are the type of things that will shut your unit down, you know. So if your sensors are off, or it won't heat properly or cool properly. So that's just looking at the outdoor cassette. I mean, not outdoor cassette, the outdoor unit, the OC. Same thing with the OS. So let's close that out. All right, family, like I said, I'm not gonna have this video going too long. Just wanted to show you a little bit about the outdoor unit and how to check some things on the outdoor unit. And again, you can always hover over and see what it means what. Like TH4, if I click on it, bam, you see down there, indicates the compressor discharge temperature, which is very important. Now, a cool thing that you have, you can always look at the refrigerant circuit diagram. I'm not going to do that in this video. I'll do it in another one. But I want to thank you for taking the time to check out the video, YouTube family. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know that the content I'm putting out is helpful to you. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.